Want to play your high-powered PC games from anywhere in your house, even on a less powerful computer? Then let's get into how to set up Steam Remote Play. First, you need Steam installed and logged in on both the host computer, that's the one with the games, and the client computer, the one you want to play on now. On the host computer, go to the Steam menu in the top left corner. Click on Settings. This will open up the Steam Settings window. In the Settings window, click on Remote Play on the left-hand side. Here's where the magic happens. Make sure the Enable Remote Play box is checked. This activates the feature on your host computer. Beneath this, you'll see advanced host options. You can tweak these for optimal performance, but the default settings usually work great. Now, switch to your client computer, open Steam and log in with the same account as your host computer. Navigate to your Steam library. You should see the games installed on your host computer listed here. Instead of a play button, you'll see a stream button. Click it. Steam will now connect to your host computer and stream the game. You might need to enter a PIN displayed on your host computer on the client computer the first time you connect, and that's it. You're now remote playing your favorite Steam games. Enjoy.